With there now being a week left until Black Friday, I'm going to go through everything you need to make sure that you're doing, especially during this week, in my Black Friday Cyber Monday guide for 2024. So let's get right into it. Now, the main things you need to do is you need to get more content, creatives. You need to change your website to a Black Friday Cyber Monday theme. You need to have an offer. Now, I recommend just having your normal offer if you have one and just repackaging it as a Black Friday Cyber Monday offer. That works, right? Number 4 is you want to test more ads. That's why you need to get more content, and that's why you also need to repackage your offer just Black Friday, because you're going to use all that new content and you're also going to have your offer on your ads as well, right? And lastly, you want to change your emails to Black Friday Cyber Monday theme. So now when it comes to getting more content, this is a period of extremely high traffic and you need to test as much as possible, right? And that isn't just with ads, that's going to be for everything, right? This is a month where we also do CRO, so we test changes to the website. But with that being said, this is why we look to up our content during this time. Now here's how we do it and how you can go about doing this as well. So we usually get a list of micro influencers within your niche, of course. So if you're selling supplements, go with people in the health niche. And then we email them, offering them an affiliate program. You can do other ways of doing this, right? We just prefer this way because it's based off performance. Number 3 is you can send them trainings on how you would like the content to be. And number 4 is you want to ask for permission to see if you can run ads through their account instead of just your business page. This usually results in a lower customer acquisition cost because it just looks more natural, right? And this is a common theme. So if you can run the ads through their account, even better. Now you reach out to a list of 1,000, 10,000 micro influencers and offer them this, offer them the training, and you try run the ads through their account with their content. You're going to look at a lot better results with ads. Number 2 is you're going to change the website to a Black Friday Cyber Monday theme. Now you want there to be confluence between your entire funnel, right? Throughout your entire funnel, there should be consistency. So this is going to be your content, your ads, your emails, your website, etc., right? They all need to have the same Black Friday Cyber Monday theme, whether that be colors, whether that be the colors, copy, whatever. Here's a few changes that you should make. One being the announcement banner should include your Black Friday Cyber Monday offer. You should also have a Black Friday Cyber Monday timer somewhere on your website. It could also be in the announcement banner as well. Now, if you want to, you could also change your website to a Black Friday Cyber Monday colored theme. So usually for Black Friday, it would be black and yellow, right? And number 4 is any sales or other offers that you should have. You don't have to come up with new ones. All you have to do is just rebrand it as your Black Friday offer, which leads us straight on to number 3, which is having an offer. Now here again, as I said, you don't need to do anything other than just rebrand your usual offer or your usual sale. Just rebrand it as Black Friday offer. And this offer will be, of course, going across your website, your ads, your emails, and whatever else you're using to market. So some examples of offers you can have is buy one, get one free, buy one, get one half price, subscribe and save, or bundle and save, right? Now, an extra I'm gonna put here is cart goals, and that's because what you can do is within your cart goals, you can have something for this period, right? Where it's like a free item, it could be an extra discount if they spend a certain amount, right? You can do that as well, but usually the ones you're gonna stick to is gonna be up here. Number 4 is, this is why we actually wanted more content. It's gonna be to test more ads, right? This is where a lot of brands fall short. They just simply test maybe 5 to 10 ads and they run it for 6 months or even a year. And then they wonder why they don't get good results. And it's because 5 to 10, and you're running that until it fatigues, right? Even before it fatigues, you're not going to be able to find a winner or a winner that could be as good as you want it to give you good results by just testing 5 or 10 ads or creatives, I should say, within a year, right? That's not going to get you results. So that's why for clients, we recommend testing at least, this is 50 creatives a month. This allows us to quickly find what works. And then based off what works, we then go ahead and test based off what works. So instead of just doing random tests, that's another thing. A lot of brands, they test enough, I should say, right? But then they don't test based off their winners. They just still, even though they get winners, they still test random stuff. But then there's no point of getting the winner then. What we do is we get the winner, then we try change little variants of that winner to see if we can get it to win even more. And this is how we basically just hone in to having amazing ads. Another thing is 50 ads at least a month, right? It scares a lot of people away, but the thing is you don't have to have 50 completely different ads. You can make 5 to 10 as you usually would, and then just make variants of that, right? So you make 5 to 10 variants of those 5 to 10, which will lead you to having 50 or more ads. So what I mean by that is if you have 5 creatives, just make 10 variants of each, now you have 50, right? They don't have to be completely different. And number 5 is you're going to need to change your emails to a Black Friday, Cyber Monday theme, right? Again, consistency is going to be super important. You're not going to want to have your website and your ads say one thing or look like one thing, and your emails look completely different. That's going to cause friction mentally for your visitors, and it's going to lead to less conversions. So you want to make sure that you change your flows for this period, and remember to change them back to normal after Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You don't want people emailing, asking about offers and stuff after Black Friday, Cyber Monday's ended. So make sure to change it back straight after Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Now what you could do for your emails is you could change the color theme if you did this on your website, right? If you didn't, then there's no point of that. As I said, you have to just keep it consistent, that's all. You can rebrand the offers on your flows as a Black Friday offer, and you can even decrease the wait times between emails, right? This is something a lot of people miss out on, and it's the fact that, you know, usually you make people wait 14 days maybe for a post-purchase email, or they might wait 24 hours to receive an abandoned cart, whatever. But this period of time, so during Black Friday, it's very fast-paced, and you can actually afford to, instead of 14 days, maybe you can make them wait 3 days. Instead of 24 hours, it could be 2 hours, 4 hours, or you can even, you know, test out sending some of your flows straight away during this month, right? And it will still work. It might even work even better than, you know, making them wait this long. And you also want to do the same thing with your campaigns as well when it comes to changing up the campaign theme. So again, if you change the theme or the colors I show on your website, you should do that for your campaigns as well. And of course, rebrand your offers as well. Especially during this, you know, week running up to Black Friday, you can actually afford to send out a ton of emails, or I should say a few more emails that are promotional, rather than, you know, usually I would recommend staying away from promotional emails, maybe just here and there, and I mean like once a month, twice a month, and you just want to nurture your campaigns. But during this time, you can afford to actually send out a lot more promotional emails and get away with it. So now, that's everything. And if you're wondering how to scale an e-commerce business in 2025, as right after Black Friday, you know, a month later, we get into 2025. So what I've done is I filmed an entire video. The video should be right there showing you exactly how to scale your brand in 2025. So make sure to go check that out. But that's it for this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.